This treatment has made a huge difference in my life. I now have chewing surface on both sides of my mouth. I also feel free to talk and smile with my whole mouth rather than, being self-conscious about teeth that were missing. Hi, my name's Joanne Stanko. I received excellent care at Advanced Dental for some implants and for replacing a couple of bridges. Everything has been painless, and I've been asked so many times during treatment if I'm doing okay, if I'm all right, do I need a break? I feel the office offered the best and the newest technology that I hadn't had the experience of before. I wouldn't think twice about recommending Dr. Abbott or Dr. Maroon. They get you in and they get your treatment done, and it's not dragged out for months and years. So I absolutely would highly recommend.